Hello everyone, today let's we know about the 20 insects named just like ant, bee and butterfly. First ant. Ants are small hardworking insects that live in colonies. They are known for carrying food many times their body weight. Ants communicate using chemicals called pheromones. Next, bee. Bees collect nectar and make honey. They are very important for pollination of flowers and crops. Bees live in hives with a queen bee. They help farmers grow food. Next, butterfly. Butterflies have colorful wings and fly gently. They start life as caterpillars. Butterflies help in pollination, symbolize beauty and change. Next, mosquito. Mosquitoes are small flying insects that bite humans. They feed on blood to lay eggs. Some mosquitoes spread diseases, usually live near water. Next, housefly. Houseflies are common insects found near food. They can carry common insects found near food. They can carry germs on their legs. Flies help break down waste. They reproduce very fast. Next, dragonfly. Dragonflies have long bodies and clear wings. They are strong and fast flyers. Eat mosquitoes and small insects. Live near ponds and rivers. Next, grasshopper. Grasshoppers jump and fly short distances. They eat leaves and grass. They make chirping sounds. They are found in fields and gardens. Next, ladybug. Ladybugs are small red insects with black spots. They eat harmful plant waste. Farmers like ladybugs very much. They are friendly garden insect. Next, beetle. Beetles come in many shapes and colors. They have hard front wings. Some beetles have recycled eat plants. Others eat crops. Next, cockroach. Cockroaches live in dark and dirty places. They can survive in tough conditions. They spread germs easily. They come out mostly at night. Next, termite. Termites eat wood and paper. They live in large underground colonies. They can damage houses badly. They work together as a group. Next, wasp. Wasps look like bees but are slimmer. They can sting when disturbed. Wasps eat other insects. They build paper-like nests. Next, moth. Moths look like butterflies but fly at night. They are attracted to light. Their caterpillars eat leaves and cloth. They help in pollination. Next, cricket. Crickets make chirping sounds. They are active mostly at night. They eat plants and small insects. They live in grass and soil. Next, firefly. Fireflies glow in the dark. They use light to communicate. They live in warm areas. Children love watching them. Next, flea. Fleas are tiny jumping insects. They live on animals and humans. They drink blood. They can cause itching. Next, louse. Lice live on human hair and skins. They feed on blood. They spread through close contact. They cause itching on the head. Next, praying mantis. Praying mantis has long front legs. It looks like it's praying. It eats other insects. It is a good hunter. Next, stick insect. Stick insects look like small sticks. They hide easily on plants. They eat leaves. They use camouflage for safety. Next, aphid. Aphids are tiny plant insects. They suck juice from leaves. They damage crops and gardens. Ants often protect aphids.
Thanks for watching.